All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So today, the folks over at BENKS sent me over their new case for the iPhone 14 Plus. And I do make this for other models, but this is the case right here, man. This is called the Biliz Pro protective case. It's got an innovative design on here. It's hyperallergenic, absorbs moisture from the air and carries out the heat from the device through water evaporation. So your phone can get all the way down to 2.3 degrees Celsius or better. So this is going to be really nice. I'm just reading the specs from the site here. This is going to be really nice because where I live at, it is really hot. It's a TPU frame and you can remove it for higher drop resistance, but it's a premium metal buttons on the side, durable, eco-friendly. So let's get this open here. We'll try it out. BENKS is known for making some really solid cases, and I respect them now because the first time I tried a BENKS case, man, I was blown away. I couldn't believe the quality of the BENKS lineup, and they do not disappoint on here. Only thing different on this one is the packaging is a little bit different, but who cares about the packaging too much? So that's all that comes in there. And then they have the case itself. And so they even have a little brush in here. This is something different. Wow. A dusting brush. That's unique. Never thought about that. Let's get a MagSafe and a wireless charger here, because this is MagSafe compatible and it will wireless charge. So just looking around the case so far, this is a different kind of material. Oh, wow, that is grippy. This is a grippy material inside of here, folks, and it will not mess up your phone. It's a soft touch, grippy, plasticky, feely thing, and it's really nice. So there you have the metal buttons on there. And you got a spot there for vibrate mute switch. You've got the camera opening there, which is going to be nicely recessed now because it's got a nice lip on there. And obviously here's your MagSafe, because it's MagSafe compatible. And you got your ports on the bottom here. And let's put it on. This feels really good. So, oh yeah. Ooh. Yeah, that feels really good. Not a lot of grip on the sides. That would have been nice for a little bit more grippiness on the sides. But it in fact does feel fairly well. It's very, very nice. So let's go ahead and unlock it here. And then we're going to go ahead and check the travel and feedback on the buttons here. Yep. Looking good. Everything's nice and tight. You do have, again, on the back, the camera is kind of nicely recessed now. So when you land it this way, it's good to go. And then you have a little bit of lip on the front as well, too. Now, I have a tempered glass on all my iPhones, so this is going to work out just fine. So let's go ahead and try some wireless charging. Wireless charging works. Now let's try some MagSafe. First, let's check how tight it is. Oh yeah, that is a snug fit. So let's hit that button there. You see it's powering on. And it is charging. So MagSafe compatible, wireless charging compatible. I mean, what more do you want? This is a nice case from BENKS, and I will definitely leave this Biliz Pro in the description so you can grab yours. Nice design on the back. It's got like little feet on the corners too, so when you're laying it down this way, it's good to go. But this is really nice. Again, I think the only thing this might be a little, I mean, most cases are like this, like smooth on the side. It's not that it's going to fall out of your pocket or anything or fall out of your hand. The overall case itself is grippy, but the sides are smooth, matte feel, and it feels pretty doggone good. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.